Well, ladies and gentlemen, you never guess what I did.
Children, I got some news for you.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know.
What is that, Augie?
I don't think I've ever been this excited to plant beans.
Back home.
So
Probably permanently.
me and Ross are up here today at Russellville. We're up here spraying. I'm just spraying Roundup because past the date in Illinois, so it's about all I can do. Ross is over here. He's filling up. He's spraying fungicide. He should be about done. That means he's got only about 30 acres left. He's talking on the phone. So he's got a GoPro now, so instead of listening or watching him do all kinds of shaky footage, you get to watch him do nice, clean, not so shaky footage. That is one big deer right there. Just ran out right in front of me. I did not see that. That was one big deer.
How's everyone doing today? This fine Tuesday or Wednesday afternoon. Today's only Wednesday, but currently it is 10:05, and we are spraying fungicide on our corn. The object needs to stay between the rows here. And our see, with this, you gotta keep it right on the top of the corn. And as I pull it up, if you look out here in the distance, you can see a mysterious Alex and his John Deere sprayer. Maybe see if we can get him to come closer. See if he say hi. Got back from over in Russellville, spraying fungicide on what we got over there. Then you'll see a time lapse from that in this next video here. But we're gonna fill up, and we're doing spraying fungicide all day today. I'll see if I can get some more shots of that for you guys. There's Augie.
You know.
Coming here to bug me. Got anything you want to say to the viewers?
No. Ross is annoying and weird. I think we all knew that. Though.
Yeah, I think everyone knew that from probably the first video. So
I would think.
Yeah. If they don't, they do now.
Yeah.
No, but the chemicals we're using for when we spray fungicide, well, we've been using Trivia Pro. We've been using that for a while now, and then we got it's called Franchise, which kind of helps the fungicide stick to the corn better. so it doesn't go off, so it doesn't get like dripped off as easy, or yeah, it doesn't get dripped off as easy. Now down here, I've already seen 3 deer already, a little small doe, and the other one I really couldn't see because they were running through the corn before I really got a chance to look at them and stuff. But, so we're all signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button. You'll know when we post, and you can watch me and Alex try to get stuff done. And maybe, if you're lucky, I might have broke something in the video. You just have to watch it and find out. See this stuff right here, we use 10 gallon of it for 100 acres. We're putting on about 13 ounces to the acre. This Trivia Pro, and then of this franchise here, we use 3 ounces, which is 2.5 gallons for, since we're doing 100 acres, we're putting on 14 gallons the acre, so we use 2.5 gallons of it. Over here, start this. That's where you plug in the spark plug. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you never guess what I did. That's right, I broke something. Got a massive hydraulic leak. So it's up in there somewhere. I don't know where, because it says it ran out of hydraulic oil, and I stopped, got out, so it was leaking down here, so I shut it off, looked underneath here, and this is what I've got. It's just a big mess. And the problem is, I don't know where it's leaking from, but once again, never fails. I always break something. So there's that.
So if you look there's a big corner arm behind my house. This is the shed. That's my house. There's that corner arm, and there's another irrigation back there to the side of it. But them irrigations, if they'd both be running at the same time, they'd hit each other. So we don't run them at the same time. But this big one here, it covers everything, about everything behind our shop here. So, well, this thing, that broke, or this thing right here broke on the other side. So to get it out, I had to cut it out. Well, as you can imagine, now I'm having issues with it. So while that's filling up, I'm gonna go up there and try and put this back on. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll find out, I guess. Hopefully it does, because I don't know when I'll be able to get this part in so I can fix this completely and for good. And it's kind of expensive, so hopefully we can get it fixed. So basically what I had to do, because they can't get this part in for a while, this is a bigger hose than this one that runs into this little solenoid. So I basically had to take and get a hose and stick it in there, stick it up into the bottom of there to bypass the other hose, or to bypass just the fitting that comes from this to go into there. But also I might have broke this whenever I was taking it apart and trying to get it out, because it broke off inside of there. But if it works for now, it'll have to do. Make it rain! Make it rain. Oh no, Emma's running now. Make it rain. Uh-huh. Now I don't want to get wet, so I'm coming over here. Woo, nice and wet. So, upon special request, This is Alliance Tractors t-shirt. This is our dealer here in Vincennes. They have a couple of different locations in Mattoon, Illinois, Casey, Illinois, and Newton, Illinois. They've always been real good to us. So they gave me a shirt to wear to show you guys. So that's what I'm doing. I'm wearing a shirt to show you guys. They've always been real nice to us. They always have plenty of parts for us most of the time. So they can always at least get it the next day. That's a good thing. So we're now driving up on what is our biggest irrigation that we own. It is around 20 spans. It is rather massive. It has 2 pumps that run it. It takes a lot of electricity to run it, but if it makes us money, then what's the matter? But this is our biggest irrigation here. It's on our blood farm. It's got a corner arm on it, which corner arms, they basically just try to get more out of the reach of the irrigation. They can go around trees, whatever you program to do, they can do almost. So we have only 3. Yeah, we have 3 corner arms, and we would rather not have any more. Corner arms tend to be kind of difficult to keep running. They sometimes have a lot of issues with them, but more than likely we can usually keep them running. This one here is had on the corner arm. Sometimes you can put things like GPS on them. There's even a wire that runs underneath the ground that they can follow. We have switched most of ours except for one over to GPS because the GPS is pretty easy to maintain. You don't have to go out there and try and find a wire. Instead, you know, it's all ran off of that GPS, so if it doesn't have any connection, it won't turn right on the end. But we have on this one down here, we have a grain bin on the end of this field, and that's how we can get signal out here. It's ran off of John Deere's RTK system. So the same way there at the farm, but that one's ran off of John Deere's tower there in Vincennes. This irrigation here is ran off of it's the same field that I was doing the drone footage in around the corn planter. The last time I done that would have been in May or 1st of June. And this field is actually really big. It's around a 500-600 acre field. We got a lane that runs through the middle of it, so then we can get to the back of it. But there's some beans back here that I have to spray that we have planted, so I gotta go back here and spray them. And if you notice here, there's a sewer right here. This sewer is the first sewer I ever built by myself. I mean, yeah, that was a long time ago, but that was when we first got our mini excavator. And I came down here and Dad left me to build this sewer while he went and got lunch, and I built it. So, I'm pretty proud of that sewer. You know, it's held up for this long. It has to have some fill-ins every now and then, but other than that, it's fine. This massive irrigation system takes around 4 days for it to make a full, complete circle. It's 3 or 4 days. It's like 3.5 days, 4 days. And that is a full circle all the way around this farm. Now that means that if we have completely dry weather for a while, that irrigation will not shut off. It keeps on running. So we'll give you guys one last look at it before we take a shower of it making it rain all the way across the field. This one here, this 20 spanner, is definitely one of them irrigation systems I was telling you about in the last video. Oh no, it looks like it rained. That's not good. Oh, it's sunny. Well, me and Augie have been down at the pump house this morning cleaning out the gates, trash racks.
I did get some videos.
Oh, he did get some. You did?
Yes.
For them?
Yes.
So, that's probably gonna be all that we're gonna do this week. I don't know. I'm gonna walk out here to my pickup.
Children, I got some news for you.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know.
What is that, Augie?
I don't think I've ever been this excited to plant beans.
What is that?
That would be called a DV60 60-foot bean planter with 20-inch rows.
What is that? I don't know.
Well, let's just see.
Did we get something new?
Let's just see it this way.
Huh.
This right here, 160,000 acres an hour.
Woo!
Yep.
Looks like we're gonna be planting in style now, huh, Augie?
A little bit.
I might have to speed her up a little bit, maybe.
I think Alex is gonna need a new sprayer because he ain't gonna.
Yeah, I might have to replace that thing now.
He ain't gonna be able to keep up with me there, sweetheart.
Woo! Nope. Dad finally pulled the trigger and went and bought a planter. This is a DB60. It's a 2014. It's new to us. Has less acres than our old one did. So we bought it. Hopefully we get to use it some, but we don't really know. I mean, we will use it. We still have our air seeder, but we traded off our 1790 planter, which was only 40 foot, for this massive thing.
This ought to be fun.
But now we gotta figure out what we're gonna pull it with, because we don't think the 8R will do it.
I think we can go ahead and use our house to pull it.
Oh, we're gonna use the house to pull it?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
See this rig here? Bauer built. And if you
Bauer-
didn't know
Bauer?
this, our cousins were Bauers.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at this, it even has the full pin set up and everything in it.
Give me a week with it, I can tear it up.
Locker pins, freaking big tires. We're gonna be planting in style now, aren't we, Augie?
Give me a week.
Well, hopefully we don't have to use it yet this year. So since this is used, we are gonna have to pull it in the shop and obviously look it over. We'll probably have to put some new coulters, they said, some new disc, and probably some new gauge wheels. But
Whoa.
other than that,
We gotta check something out first real quick. Okay, I will believe that it would have been this one right here. Seed tube isn't kinked.
oh, the seed tube isn't kinked.
I put 3 new hoses on our 1790,
But-
and they were kinked.
I don't
every
know.
single time.
I don't know what this is. Probably some kind of like a fertilizer thing or seed tube blowout or something. But the other thing we could do is we could put precision planting on this if it doesn't already have it.
And some maybe row cleaners.
Some,
I think some row cleaners would be good.
yeah,
on this over.
some no-till row cleaners and some other stuff. But this is our new planter. You'll get to see it running next year.
Give
I
me a
know
little time.
that seems like a while away, but harvest isn't that far away either. So
Give me a little time, I'll tear it up for you guys.
it might already have precision planting on it, Augie. I don't know, we'll have to look. So anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for today. I'm pretty sure that Augie and Ross done some videoing. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about it, because they both got GoPros now. So yeah, anyways, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about it. I guess we'll see you guys next time, and remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you got any questions, that like button's important. Remember that, because that's gonna get you guys shirts. 1.5 thousand subscribers, or 1.5 thousand likes on any video really, and I will go ahead and I will put shirts out.